Hey folks, comfortable day across the valley again today with readings right now in the upper 70s and low 80s. We were just a little warmer than this earlier today, into the mid 80s across a lot of the area, but still a pretty comfortable day across the valley. Tonight we'll cool off into the upper 60s. That's about it. So those nights and early mornings with readings in the 50s, they're behind us for a while. Instead we end up like this behind us today. And then tomorrow we're up to 88 or so in the upper valley, 84 Harlingen and Brownsville, about 76 at the beach, cooler at the island as always. Southeasterly winds, a little gusty, 15 to perhaps 25 miles per hour. Look at the next 3 days. Normal high is 86. We're going to be right at that tomorrow. Wednesday warmer at 90 and Thursday 89. A front kind of comes into play middle part of the week, and a chance of rain begins to show up for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll look at that in a moment. Satellite radar, just some patchy clouds out there right now. Future Track says overnight, patchy clouds, that's about it. During the daytime tomorrow, just partly to mostly sunny and rather breezy. You saw that wind 15 to 25 out of the southeast. Spotty showers possible pre-dawn on Wednesday, and then Wednesday night into Thursday when a cool front slides into the area. At this point, this model says there's no rain here with the front. It's all off to our north, but it certainly bears watch as thunderstorms are going to be probably happening across a lot of Texas. We'd be on the southern edge of that, so just a slight possibility something could get this far south. 30% on Wednesday, 20% early Thursday. After that, the chance of rain does disappear, so it's a midweek rain threat this time around. 81 right now in Austin, 83 Abilene, 81 in Dalhart, 82 in Odessa, so a lot of 80-degree plus readings across the state. High pressure moving off to the east, and that means our wind is already coming back out of the southeast after a couple of gorgeous days. It begins to push away. There's not much else on the weather map tomorrow except a fair amount of cloudiness across the state. Wednesday, more clouds, maybe an isolated shower as that moisture return kicks in a big way, and then Wednesday night and Thursday, here comes this next front that will trigger strong storms to the north of us once again. I think for the most part, I mean, the vast majority of it stays north of us. Could be an isolated shower or thunder shower here, but probably nothing like what they're expecting in the middle and northeast corners of Texas. Down to about San Antonio Wednesday night into Thursday. San Antonio to Dallas is where the big storms are most likely. So if you have travel plans in the middle of the state, middle of the week, keep an eye on the sky because there is potential for some rough weather. High pressure builds in behind that front, though, and it turns gorgeous again for the end of the week. And it ought to be pretty nice as we head into the Easter weekend. We don't see any major problems at this point. Instead, looks like a fair amount of sunshine for Good Friday, for Saturday, and for Easter Sunday as well. Headed to the coast. This Holy Week, southeast winds 15 to 20. Right now, the bay is a little bit choppy. The UV is extreme. There's operators of small craft urged to use caution. Low risk of rip currents. There are 3 tides for tomorrow. Seas a little up there, 4 to 8 feet. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight then. Clear to partly cloudy and breezy. Southeast winds continue. Low about 68. Then tomorrow, back up to 86 with partly cloudy skies. Windy, there's that wind 12 to 25 out of the southeast all day long. Take a look at the next 3 days. A spotty shower thunderstorm Wednesday night, early Thursday. By Thursday afternoon, the sun takes over again. Should dominate then through the weekend, and it looks like plenty of sunshine for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday. Highs mainly in the upper 80s. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.